These workers live and work in most inhuman and pitiable conditions. Full stop. These plantations include tea, coffee, rubber, etc. And as we know, tea alone is one of the major foreign exchange earners of our country. Full stop. But sir, it is indeed most regrettable that notwithstanding a lapse of 34 years since our independence, as workers who earn crores and crores of rupees by way of foreign exchange have to live in most miserable conditions. Full stop. They live in houses that are most insecure and collapse frequently, and when these workers die as a result of these collapses, their guardians or their dependents do not get even due compensation for the loss that they have to bear. Full stop. New paragraph. Unhygienic living in distant and far-flung areas, compounded with lack of medical and educational facilities, make their life utterly miserable. Full stop. These plantation workers have to live in abject poverty like slaves of their employers. Full stop. And as we know, most of these plantations are still foreign owned establishments, last vestiges of the colonial rules, the British rule, and as I said, it is a matter of deep regret that for all of us that despite enacting an act, the Plantations Labor Act, 1951, we have not yet been able to effect any improvement in their conditions. Full stop. New paragraph. I think the employers alone are not responsible for their miserable condition. Full stop. We are also as much responsible as they are, because although we could enforce the enactment and we could improve their conditions much earlier, we have failed in doing so. Full stop. Sir, on the 9th May 1973, this House decided that a joint committee should be appointed to look into the desired amendment and put up a draft, as early as possible for our consideration. Full stop. On the 26th May 1973, the Lok Sabha also adopted our resolution, our motion, with the result that a 45-member committee, in which 15 representatives were from the Rajya Sabha and 30 from the Lok Sabha, was appointed to look into the matter. Full stop.